Kardom pinyada ba birta ke thanche bang nilimen sami birti kram sapi aprangsi birta thepi arjik tha.
Lapangap la pentapat ang bong monsam ke doja phan khanduli biopia long chingki chingwai po. Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee Dunmei Phusem Soning Ti Congress Party Penche OC BJP along Kachpok Dunpa Melo Pura Pherang ke me phathu.
Non birtang ton pen arjik senang.
Lapangap lapenta padang bong monsam ke doja phan khanduli biopia long chingki chingwai po. Lapangap lapenta padang bong non malom laki arni pen mekso po sarlam the sonsi do bomlo. Lapen ron thama lapen lam lun kachpangjar ahir ing tangrak asonsi do bomlo. La sojok oribal timungta thang adaya ve pin pen akai judun koklo. Bonsita laputong kai kita dopon bompoma lapen ajo arnita dopon bompoma lapen kai arjonta kachere pen loktong dopon bompoma labang solam mathadam si patimini phai thom kep arnikang sampor phai ke thomalom khanduli BOP long Meghalaya Nat Administrate Hamren SP lapen West Karbi Anglong DC lapen lapangap gangbura lapen tapat gangbura lapen socheng Amreng Border Development Committee lapen rong along manping kithekiding atung chatongdu lapangap lapen tapat ang bomonsam ke doja phan arsik jitpen chingki chingwai padupon halapu Meghalaya Administrate Kaningjepon atengke nilitumta ningduglo adaya ve pinpen oribal timung apran kedama puthaki lasi penapen apran karmot ve katma phan kiri kitar lepja phan bor ipon pupusi lam thei chupaklang lapuson thak thasi tapat gangbura hin penta karlitang oribal timung aphan apran karmot tuma phan jongsi pini penabamat cheneblotik monsam dopu lapen lapangap chomanga tumta sok nang chirot longpu pusi sodapen lapangap gangbura phan lam thei chupaklang halapu lapangap gangbura lamthi chupaklang pon ateng nilitum lapangap asophan sok nang pachurot longnon border ke kaya tengsi dobu lapen labang so non kachadang isai anglong ke karbiatum ko pisi klemjima lage karbiatum aridengsi dolo pusi lamthi chupaklang dun patumi labang so kaching wai amelong KSE lapen KSU lapen break jump asong pen chatong dun si aduya hoy along permanent solution kiranji lapen monsam ke doja phan mesen pen chingki chingwai ponlo pusi tapat pen nilitum apherangki barnabas be hin pen news fast Karbi Anglong sa hemalong birta nangpali
of this particular tapat village he would be taken to task at the same time he would be handed over as per the procedure of law after due investigation as well as per the procedure of IPC and BNSS. Thirdly, today we have come to know that meeting after meeting we cannot call for, convene for, and everyone cannot attend this meeting time and again, even if we are willing. Because why we cannot await? Because of this particular crop. This particular crop cannot wait for under 4 or 5 days. Okay, we need to know that, and it belongs to someone who is a native of West Jantia Hills or some natives of our own Tapat village at the same time. It will be affected both the counterparts at the same time. So it should be harvested urgently and with the consensus of both these village headmen. My village headman is here, that is Tapat. He has also opined today, and your village Lapangap is here. He has also consented at the same time that there is no law and order, okay, regarding harvesting. So this has been the thing we have come into conclusion today, that harvesting cannot wait time and again with lot of meetings after meetings, because so many spokesperson is there at the same time. Every day they would be giving a new terms and conditions. We cannot await like that at the same time. Because of the fraternity, because of the peaceful coexistence in the greater and larger interest, we need to know that you are going to hand over the culprit whosoever committed this crime on 9th of October, where we lost our dearest brother or Oribal Timung. At the same time, we are going ahead with the harvesting and some plantation at the same time. Because this has been going on since centuries. It should not be an issue like taking some weapons, threatening each other. Because we are in the same boat, we need to know that. And with these few words, I want to conclude here with the hope. Our Augustine, brother Augustine is here.
Sir, I'm here, sir.
He is the chairman of our peace committee. Lot of responsibilities actually he was being actually vested with, and he is a very worried person. I understand that, but the fact remains. At the same time, we cannot compromise peace at any cost. Okay, and law and order should prevail, peace should prevail, and harvesting should continue at the same time without any further delay with a consensus. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I want to have a photograph with all of
Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee Dunmeipu Samson Inti Congress Party Pen CUC BJP along Kachapa Ogdun Pamelo Pura Perangke Me Patu Non-MLA election nang tabok ong Ratchere Song Pen Ihindamjoy Song Si Arni Wangta Tekon La Song Si Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee Dunmeipu Samson Inti Ratul Teron DS Teron Pendang Lok Ke Ongdung Congress Song Karbi Anglong District Congress Committee along Thedung Arpu Kedoatum Kedamtang Project Luni Pai Sir Keb Ani Dipu Gobers Higher Secondary School Patho Klamalong BJP Kachapa Autonomy Padubonlo Lasong si Kopi Koson Pen si Congress Song along Pen CUC BJP along Chapa Ogdon Mapu Klardak Radaw Hongja along Kedang Japan Samson India Bang An Perangki Abutung Atom Pen Humidang
Itiala makete pikelalo je Congress along non phong Karbi Anglong lo ke chok chin ne asteba banke la ke roton inti ak ha president district president kipi la ke chok che punili pudam je banke la son lo je Congress tum ideology atenke secularism hello sita roton inti ke alang like non secular person alang li secular person kali alangli ke claim ke adhorom tin aphan ke pangri ajati tin aphan ke pangri aso akam se alangli ke claim nahi sita alangli laso ke pangri akam ke claim amunit kali nili halahai alama bangke chu ke joiner ni nili ningje glo je adhorom tin ta kecelang select putawe sita roton itia bangke Christian aphananta alangli kelang select Christian pina alangli ke priority mon wa Christian laki Christian to kan anta kelang selet kasi akapre kan homo pan ke lake lang selet vek pun ke la loisi ke la pen ke dak Karbi Anglong long roton inti jitu a president kipi ke Congress atum kaningja tengke Rahul Gandhi ji ta alang li nije iglo Qatar Congress nahi Qatar Congress माने कांग्रेस अभी अफिक के दो मुनि सी कांग्रेस अब लीडर बीजेपी सीता रोतन इंटी आलांग लिया बंके हट नीली 2012 एमएससी इलेक्शन के पाठु होता आलांग ले नीली फांदना पर एम दुलवांग लसी लसन कत्तर कांग्रेस अफांसी प्रेसिडेंट बीजेपी बोलो सीता आलांग ली के पार्टी एजेंसी के क्लेम मुनि lasi Congress long ke do tumanta alang diphan laswala make chidon nule aning hangi gi lapen alang di a supporter ave lason amni phan Congress a president Peter Joyce si ili ithe alam ining ke dokde Congress party phan ni dokde ke ithe lata thedung alam ni lapen ili tum BJP a president Roland Killing sa ho phandan li churui ji jenili tum aphan Vincent Pen anong nam nange pipen ilitum BJP long ke join dun long ko ili ningarong piklo ilitum ningarong nai alam bangke ilitum kaching honne CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alang li nilitum kan accept pamesi nilitum kan BJP long nang wan iklo kado we panta kela nang pa chingri iklo kasi nili alang li panta nili suri ka dong pa iklo nili 2011 ki jut alomesi कांग्रेस का में क्लेम इलो ला पेन के 2017 पेन के निली APCC सेक्रेटरी ला क्लेम इलो 2012 के निली गिबालो MSc निली पेन टू इलो निली 2017 पेन 2022 के निली APCC सेक्रेटरी क्लेम इलो ला सोफी निली कार्बी आंगलोंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट लोंग सितम क्लेम जी पुलो असी निली एज कार्बी आंगलोंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऐसा से निली क्लेम इलो निली ahook lo cepaduk bangke cepaduk pame si nilikam claim iglo sincerely dedicatedly si nilikam claim iglo sita nili non aporan theglong lo je lan ke cepaduk der pita congress long ke do nili mena handa le gabe pugali karbia khai karbia rat pansi at present ke congress ke alia bela la pen ke la dak khai nila unili chini pamme amasi nili non BJP lo cepau duni ten
Mungkin alila Kongres akan utikan bukan alang itu Kongres asam ko anak kaluk som ji mate kana ho gei cha
nili ke chini ateng ke Kongres ke claim abang ko tum pidong mat hal nei chini sita non nili tum kewang apu BJP na anathu kewang do nili dolo ake hai ratul teron do iklo General Secretary Mohan Teron doiklo, General Secretary Jameson Ronghang doiklo, lapen ke Khoya Terang doiklo, Secretary Dorsing Singlar doiklo, lapen ke Nilitumalong Senior Congress Leader Chandra Singh Teron, CS Teron palang li doiklo. La sinilitum ke bang pen ke penangan Congress atum bang ke aning taring lo, aning duplo, nili ke charju long ateng ke ajha tum ke chiru atum anta doiklo lo kisi Arjuna. Nasi jihetu nili tum chini pame je Congress pen ke Karbi Anglong long ke thang mane akimi thekdam long le lasi akapre ke tumanta penangan ke akhoti ke dolo la pen ke Congress non ke bang gilang arni anta district Congress committee pen nange dunji atumsi chington ren la tum alang ni tum doi kola district Congress committee pen amasi senior atuma masi ke bang gi doi kola si nilimat hadam ke Karbi Anglong arat ke Congress buke akhoti thipik la BJP government along ke at present alangli Dr. Tuliram Ronghang ke charipon la bangke ilitum langdam elo puludang te aprang nilitum Congress along ke do husi alangli pan sosar jo sitanon nilitum thekdam long lo alangli kaddo kabe phanda kanghon pahoman kaddo we phanda pa chingri pame lasi BJP long claim dun lokulutang te nili kopi si politics claim ma nili khai nili rat atom phan kopi si ke claim kang tung ma hal haya kamanta nili claim long poku ini ki thedo lapen alangli nang cerap di pu nili phan nang che chak lo lapen nili phan nili jitu ke claim kang tung Karbi khai phan Karbi arar phan nili mena jung phan kali Karbi arar phan nili ke claim kang tung la haya alangli the nang nili phan nang che chak ta do nang cerap dun jipulo alang li ning jeklo labang nili ning khepik lapen nili ning arong
Pinya Birta Lan Sekang Toniklo Dome Thakmi Kardom